Today I'm going to teach you how to make bubbles. I know this has been a lockdown and most of us are actually getting quite bored. I created my own invention 2 years back. So actually after we ran out of bubbles, we all throw the bubble can out, right? So I'm going to show a way how you can recycle by making more bubbles. Okay. We are going to make bubbles out of only 3 items. Those are water. I have filled up my bubble can with this much water. You can see the markings. And we need toothpaste. And we need soap. So toothpaste and soaps are random. And also, you must note this thing. If you make bubbles out of water and soap, you won't be able to produce any bubbles. And they'll just easily pop without even blowing them. So, let's start making this recipe. First, let's take out the bubble taking thing and leave it aside. First, we must add 4 to 5 drops of soap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. Okay. Squish, swish, swish. And now we must add our toothpaste. A little bit will be enough. Okay. There. That's enough. Okay, look at the toothpaste sinking in. Okay, and here comes the fun part. Okay, let's just close it up. And then shake it, and shake it, and let's shake it with me. Shake with me, and shake with me, and shake with me, and shake with me. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, oh no, shake, 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 shake. Okay, now it's ready. Now let's try and test this thing out. Wow! 3 bubbles on a roll. Whoops. 1 bubble on a roll. Ooh, again one bubble. Okay, you all will try this out at your homes. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you subscribe to my channel and like if you like this video.